Serum is a skincare product you can apply to your skin after cleansing or toning, but before moisturizing, with the purpose of delivering potent ingredient that penetrates deeply. We will make a water-based serum using xanthan gum as thickener. First, you make a base. Measure warm water, then add xanthan gum and preservative. You can let it sit overnight or until the lumps are fully dissolved. If you are not happy with the consistency, you can add more water to make it runny or add more xanthan gum to make it viscous. And if you are finally happy with your base, time to add in all the skin-loving ingredients. Add one ingredient at a time. Make sure to dilute all powders before mixing in the formulation. Add essential oil or scent of your choice. Add colorant. Since this is water-based, you only use water-based colorants such as F, D, and C. That's it. Stick your label to it and seal or put it in a fancy packaging.